Okay, I'm gonna do a really mean thing to myself and I'm gonna let you see what life looks like right now in the apartment between sort of having started the clean out and things are being pulled out of boxes to decide what gets thrown away, what goes to storage, what gets donated, what gets sold, what gets packed and goes to the new place. So it's just craziness right now, and I'm gonna cover up the kitchen, the dishes, because it's just horrible and too embarrassing. Anyway, there's the kitchen. And it's a very gray day today, so it's very dark in here. I don't think the bathroom is especially bad. Oh, except I got the new hair dryer, so that mess to put away. Anyway, it's more the living room. This is what happens outside. It's very poor drainage around here. So when it rains, I don't know if you can see that puddle, the whole grass and everything gets so soggy and puddly. So this is what life looks like right now. Today is a day of getting this all sort of sorted out and organized. And once I get all this sorted out and organized, then I'll have room to pack. Step one is finally take down Christmas. I was gonna take down Christmas like the day that I heard I was moving. I said, you know what, and then I was like so overrun with, excuse me, trying to figure out where I was gonna live. I didn't do any sort of packing or anything. I don't know if you guys ever even saw when I did the etagere. Now it's kind of a mess from Christmas, but anyway. And then the bedroom, you saw the day I had, let me get the light, oh, where's the light? You saw the day I cleaned that box wall, and then since that was an empty space, now that has to start being filled up again with storagey stuff. So anyway, bedroom, just mess. Not gonna show you my bra. Just mess everywhere. And that is life right now. Hi, teeny girl. Teen. Teen. This is what life looks like right now. And maybe I'll bring you back in another week and show you what progress I've made on the last weekend before moving. I will be moving on February 2nd. That's 2 weeks from yesterday. So I have less than 2 weeks to go, and I am feeling confident, probably a little too confident, which is why I haven't done more yet. But next time you see this, it will be much improved. Okay, see you later. Bye.